Hi guys, we're back with part 2. She's having trouble mixing the thing. I have this kind of sort of patted down, and she's done, so she's gonna pour it into the crust, and yeah.
Put about half in there. Change bowls. There.
That looks so good.
Smooth them out.
I would just eat it like pudding.
I know you would.
But in the crust, it'll probably be better.
And then if we have too much in one, we can always transfer it over.
I think that needs transferred, but we can just see. I'm gonna go get a better spatula. Yes, I say spatula weird because that's how it's spelled. Spatula. Princess spatula. See, it says princess.
Mine kind of went over a little bit, so that probably means there's not enough in there. So, whatever. Whatever works.
It's
Whatever
beautiful.
floats your boat, as my mother would say. Oh, Viv.
Goodness.
Goodness me.
For everything.
Smooth that out. And then it says that we need to put these in the refrigerator for an hour. And then it has a tip on here that you dip the pie plate just to the rim in hot water for 30 seconds for easy cutting and serving.
All right.
It is the last thing down there on the bottom. I don't know if it'll focus on it. But anyway, that's what it says to do. So, that's it. This is our no-bake pie, or pie-like, pumpkin-like, whatever it is. Bye!